Good morning everybody, this is your Wednesday phonics. We're going to start by doing a flashcard challenge, but this time I'm going to try and do it on my phone. So if you could say the sound that you see and then I will click on as you do that. Okay, let's give it a go. Yeah, that's right, it's O. And again, well done, O. Brilliant, that's a split U. Well done, that's I. Yep, A. Oi. This is a good one. W. Do you remember that from yesterday? Oo. Or. Ow, like in cloud. We're going to be learning that one next week. Or. Well done, that's A. This is two sounds, isn't it? It's either oo or U. Well done. E, super. Yes, that's E. I. Well done. Okay, well done everybody. So, the other thing that I want to do to review our learning is I would like you to write down a few of the WH spellings that we learnt over the last few days. So, if I tell you some words, please could you grab a pen and paper and write them down, please? Okay, so the words that I would like you to spell, please, are whale, whale. Have a go at that one. Pause the video and write it down. Whale. The next one is wheel. Wheel. W-E-L. Wheel. And whisper. Whisper has got U-I-S-P-E, 5 sounds. Whisper. And the last one is whiskers. Whiskers. I-S-K-E-S, 6 sounds. Pause the video if you need some time to write those down. Okay, this is what you should have ended up with, everybody. Pause the video and you can mark your work. Well done if you got those right. So we've reviewed our learning and now it's time to think about our new grapheme for today. So the sound we're looking at today is a soft G. Okay, it's when the letter G makes a J sound. So we call it a soft J because sometimes we can have the hard J, like it makes a G sound, like in go, go, go. Or sometimes it can make a soft sound, like in gym, gym. So you can see here that we've got some examples. So we've got giraffe, can you see it? We've got genius, giant, gym, angel, cage, and orange. Okay, so the soft G happens when the G comes before the letters E, I, or Y. Okay, so it makes a soft sound when it comes before those letters. I'm going to give you some examples. We're going to read them together. Okay, so remember when that grapheme, the G grapheme, comes before a letter E, I, or a Y, it makes a soft J sound. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Should be quite easy. Oh, can't see it. So we've got gem. That's a nice and easy one, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to write down some more and I wonder whether you can sound them out and read them. Okay, let's have a go at this one. It's got 5 sound buttons. Some of you might know that just by seeing it. ick. Can you see how the soft j comes before the I, and that's why it makes a j sound and not a g. Magic, well done. Next one. Yep, that's right. Ginger. Ginger. Super. And the last one. You see that? Danger. Okay, well done everybody. What we're going to do now is I'm going to hold up a picture for you. It's got lots of gaps in it, okay? Can you see that? I'm going to show it you again in a minute, and I'd like you to pause the video so the screen stays still, and then you can write down all of the words that have the soft j sound in them. You can write them down next to the pictures. You might not get all of them, but just have a good try. Okay, so for example, if we just look at it again, can you see here that this one would be germ? So you would write that down on your sheet. Okay, germ. Okay, so I'll hold this up again, pause the video, and write down as many things, many spellings of the things that you can see. How did you get on that? Some tricky spellings there, wasn't there? I think some of the longer ones, like gingerbread man, you could actually segment those up because we know how to spell ginger, we know how to spell bread, and we know how to spell man. But some of the trickier ones I thought were things like genius and gymnastics. Let me show you the answers now, and then you can pause the video and see which ones you got right. Okay, let's just take a look at some of the ones that are a little bit harder. Okay, so we've got here general. You might not have got that one. Some of the clues were quite hard actually. Okay, so if we look at general, we've got general. General. Okay, and let's have a look at gymnastics too. Some of you might have known how to spell gym, so that would have helped. That has got so many sounds in it. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sound buttons for that one. Okay, so we've got j. This y makes an I sound here. So we've got j, I, n, a, st, I. So what I like to do when I get a word like this is I like to separate it into chunks. So I know this is gym, nas, ticks, gymnastics. Okay, well done if you've got some of those spellings right. So that's a little introduction into our new sound. You have now got an activity on Seesaw, which is a word sort activity, and there is a list of words, some with the soft j in and some with the hard g in. And what I would like you to do is on a piece of paper just write down, read the words and write down the ones that are in, have a soft j on one side and the ones that have a hard g on the other side. If you want to print it out and cut them up, that's completely up to you, but writing them down on a piece of paper into 2 sections is fine as well. Okay, we'll see how we get on with that. Thank you everybody.